Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. This time we're having a look at Warhammer Age of Sigmar, Arena of Shades. Shadow and death clash at the heart of a war-torn city. Very, very cool. This box is pretty darn exciting. This is about a similar size as a lot of the other 2 army box releases. And of course, it comes with this brand new duder. What is it? The Scriptor Mortis? And the Gladiator, the High Gladiatrix. I wasn't initially a big fan of it when I first saw it, but now that I'm getting like better, kind of clearer pictures of this model, I actually really like it. I like it with the alternate helm. Of course, it does come with a whole bunch of ghosties and a whole bunch of Daughters of Khaine. These figures are pretty darn exciting. I mean, I'm sure there are plenty of Drukhari players out there in 40k who eyeball up these models for, I don't know, somebody's army anyway. Not putting out ideas out there anyway. The box contains a 40-page Arena of Shades book, 56-page Warhammer Age of Sigmar core rules book, a token sheet, 10 War Scroll cards, includes 44 miniature Daughters of Khaine, the High Gladiatrix, 10 Sisters of Slaughter, 5, Chimera? Heartrenders, and 5 Doomfire Warlocks. I assume that's the Warlocks? Or are they the Warlocks? I don't know. The Nighthaunt, 1 Scriptor Mortis, 5 Craven Throne Guard, 10 Bladegeist Revenants, 1 Spirit Torment, 2 Chain Ghasts, and 4 Mymern? Conscience? Anyway, Banshees. Yeah, I'll get through it eventually, all these made-up names. So anyway, unbox. Let's get to the actual unboxing of this thing. I'm going to use my dull knife, cut into the plastic here. Oh my gosh. So for all of you Age of Sigmar enthusiasts, I know I got to get my my Deepkin field ready. Get them to battle. So let's dive in. Oh, look at all the stuff. So we get a whole bunch of bases. Here's some ASMR for you guys. There you go. It is chock full of sprues. Where's the scriptor? Is that the scriptor? No, it looks like somebody else. I can't quite tell who these guys are. I'm not that familiar with Nighthaunt or the Daughters of Khaine, so you'll have to forgive me a little bit. Oh, we got sprues locked into each other. Oh no! It's like deer and antlers, or moose and antlers. I don't know. Take your pick, whichever. It's more of these duders. Very, very cool. More ghosties. Ooh, look at this sprue. It's all pretty familiar stuff, I think, for many of you out there who collect these factions. Some daughters. Oh, nice little banner in there. Yeah, these would make really good witch conversions, wouldn't they? I'm sure I'm not the first person to think of that, but yeah. More ghosts. Ghosts. Let me know down below if you guys want to see some videos on getting these models done. Okay, here we go. I think this is the scriptor. I see a big honking book. It's a big book. Yeah, I like this dude. When they first previewed this model, I was like, wow, this guy's really cool looking. And yeah, like there's not much to him. Just a single sprue. It's like a character sprue, right? More witches. I could not tell you who all these characters were. Horsies and warlocks, I assume, with cloaks. Very, very cool. What's this? More ghosts? Ghosts. I have no idea what these models are. I like the banners. Yeah, when they came out with that one character for the Nighthaunt, the one with the veil and she's got the vines all around her, I was always really excited about that one. Anyway, here is the Gladiatrix. Tiny little sprue. Tiny little character. Oof. How many people are going to end up snapping these little bits? Oof. Then, of course, oh yeah, look at these ones here with the wings. I like these ones with the wings. Oh yeah, very cool. Again, for anybody out there interested in me doing any kind of videos on painting these things, let me know down below. Ooh, yeah. These models are pretty darn cool. And more of the horsey rider duders. Very, very cool. All right, what else we got? That little card insert. Oh, something fell out. Oh, it was a bit. Looks like somebody's foot. Nice big cardboard thingy. Oh, look at the artwork. Oh, art. You know, Chris likes his art. We got the core rules in this little booklet. How many pages is this? 56 pages. It's a 56-page rule book. Very convenient, very handy. Oh, we got more bases. Oh, jeez Louise. And then, of course, we got the campaign book with the tokens and cards and instruction booklet. Very, very nice. It's solid. It's got some. Well, let's have a look at the tokens here. Let's see what we're getting ourselves into here. So first things first. Cards. It's got all the units and such. Very, very cool. Got our campaign book. Pretty solid looking little book. It's got all the data sheets, probably all the campaign rules. Ooh, even paint guides and stuff. Ooh, lots of stuff. How many pages is this? This is 41 pages. 41-page book there. Very, very nice. We got more bases. We got transfer sheets. Just transfer for the daughters. Yeah, it's just for the daughters. That's all we get. Tokens. Get little rulers. One wound. Objection markers. Spells, I would assume. Very cool. And then, of course, the all-important instruction booklet on assembling everybody. Very, very cool. Very, very nice. Let me know down below if you guys found this, sort of informative and kind of entertaining. Maybe, possibly. Probably not, but either way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. Quite a bit in this box. I think I'm going to have to get this Scriptor Mortis painted up. It's just too darn cool. I don't know if it'll be in videos and what have yous, or I might just paint it just for the giggles. For the gigglies, as they say. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below and you'll be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are various tiers of support. And a huge, huge thank you to everybody who does and everybody who's continued to support. Huge thank you. Take care of your brushes, and they will take care of you.